Hello, it's Denise from the Kitchen Garden Homestead, and I'm up in my potting shed because I wanted to show you my celery seedlings. This is cutting celery, and I sowed this on the 27th of February. Isn't it lovely? A couple of days ago they looked like little hedgehogs sticking up in the compost, but now they're really quite sweet and they're ready to prick out. That's why I'm up here. And I also sowed on the same day full celery, the self-blanching kind. If you take a look at my short feed, I did a video. The seeds were from real seeds, and I took just a video of the seed packets. I thought you might find it interesting. I followed the instructions, and it said, because I've never grown celery before, it said just sprinkle the seeds on top of the compost, which I did, and don't cover them. Apparently they need sunlight in order to germinate, and well, it worked a treat. So I do recommend real seeds for celery cutting and self-blanching. Also, I wanted to talk about these. I picked these up from Wicks. Yes, they're plastic, but the great news is they're made from recycled bottles, and I'm really liking them. They're a little bit delicate. I'm not sure I'll get many uses out of them, but I thought they were a nice little thing and they weren't very expensive. Before I go, here's my broad bean. I've got these in my little tent. If you look at my short feed, you'll see me attempting to make some kind of protection for in this potting shed. It's not pretty, but it really does work. I've just used bamboo canes and some bubble wrap to create a little tent area. Well, I think that's pretty much it for today. The sun's shining beautifully now, but it was -5 last night, so this is the 8th of March. And I'm up on the Solway coast, just down from Scotland, in northwest Cumbria. I think we're in for another one tonight with potentially a little bit of snow. I mean, it's hard to believe the way the sun's shining, but we'll see. Anyway, take care and protect those little seedlings. See you next time. Bye.